In 1935, Avery Dennison invented the first pressure-sensitive label. Since that time, we continue to advance quality and innovation in label and graphics materials science. Our films are used by organizations of all sizes to dynamically showcase their brand's cohesive look and message across multiple visual applications. From displaying hours of operation with SC950 cut vinyl and interior displays using MPI 2105, to branded company vehicles utilizing the color and conformability of MPI 1105 wrapping film. Our materials deliver superior performance and durability. Trust the Avery Dennison corporate branding portfolio to deliver vibrant and consistent graphics that make a creative statement. To learn more, visit us online